You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this palace or castle located in Vienna, Austria. By the way, if you want to learn more useful German vocabulary and names of famous places around Austria and Vienna, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll love learning from. Let's break it down. Schönbrunn, that's your local German pronunciation. Of course, they speak German in Austria, so it's schön. It's not schon, okay? I've seen other videos on YouTube saying schon. No, it's not an O sound, it's an sound, more like a schwa. And that's because you have an umlaut on the O. So Schönbrunn. Then the U here is like a double O. So Schönbrunn. Schönbrunn. It's easy. Schönbrunn Palace. That's your German pronunciation in English. Therefore, Schönbrunn. Schönbrunn. Schönbrunn Palace. And now you know the correct pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.